Water is absolutely essential for our survival, but have you ever stopped to think if the water you see is actually safe to drink? It's a crucial question. We see water everywhere, from crystal clear streams to murky rivers. But how do we know for sure? And more importantly, how can we make it safe? In this video, we're going to dive into the science behind testing for water and the amazing processes that purify it, making it safe for all of us. So, how do scientists actually test for the presence of water? It's like a cool magic trick, but it's all chemistry. One of the main methods uses a substance called anhydrous copper 2 sulfate. Now, this stuff starts as a white powder, but when you add even a tiny drop of water, boom, it instantly turns a brilliant blue. This dramatic color change is a surefire sign that water is present. It's a simple yet effective test. Another neat trick involves something called cobalt chloride paper. This special paper is blue when it's dry. If you expose it to water or even just water vapor in the air, it changes color to pink. So, from white to blue or blue to pink, these chemical tests give us a clear yes or no answer for the presence of water. Now, let's talk about why purification is so important. Natural water, like what you find in rivers or lakes, isn't just pure H2O. It can be a cocktail of things you definitely don't want in your body. Think dirt, tiny floating particles, nasty germs like bacteria and viruses, and even dissolved chemicals that could be harmful. Drinking this untreated water can make you really sick. That's why we have to put it through a cleaning process before it's safe to drink. So, how do we turn that cloudy, contaminated water into the clean, clear water that comes out of our taps? There are several key methods. First up is filtration. Imagine pouring water through a very, very fine sieve. This process is designed to remove all the insoluble solids, things you can see floating around, like sand, mud, and other bits of debris. It's the first major step in cleaning up the water. Next, we have boiling. You've probably been told to boil water if you're not sure it's safe, and for a very good reason. Bringing water to a rolling boil for just a few minutes is an incredibly effective way to kill off most of the harmful microorganisms like bacteria and germs that can cause diseases. It's a simple, ancient, and life-saving technique. For large-scale water treatment, like in our cities, we use a process called chlorination. A small, carefully controlled amount of chlorine is added to the water. This chlorine acts as a powerful disinfectant, wiping out any remaining harmful microorganisms and keeping the water safe as it travels through pipes to our homes. Finally, for the ultimate in purity, we have distillation. This method is like giving water a complete reset. The water is boiled, turning it into steam. This steam then rises, leaving behind absolutely everything else: solids, germs, and even dissolved minerals and chemicals. The pure water vapor is then cooled down and condensed back into liquid form. The result is exceptionally pure water. So, from simple chemical tests that tell us, yes, this is water, to powerful purification methods like filtration, boiling, chlorination, and distillation, we have the science and technology to ensure our water is safe. Remember, having access to clean water is a cornerstone of good health and a better quality of life for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.